can see a very dynamic personality, who in look as well as in personality looks like a scientist. I feel like something, a light you can see on his face. That is the light of wisdom and knowledge. Now, in coming hours, you won't feel that minute or second or hours. It's running. The class is excellent, the class is dynamic. From the outlook itself, we can feel it. And no doubt, we are going to experience. And he is Dr. K.P. Shashikul, the scientist. Sir, I welcome you to the Next, we have a familiar person who is also a guiding, motivating.
Brilliant tutorials today. Presidential IIT training program Green Hill സ്കൂളിൽ തുടങ്ങിയ ദിവസമാണ് 2010 ജൂൺ 29. അത് ഒരു ചന്ദ്രയാൻ മിഷനായിരുന്നു. രണ്ട് വർഷം കൊണ്ട് ലക്ഷ്യത്തിലെത്തിയ.
Repeat again.
Good evening, friends. Today we had it's one of the most day which we can be proud that we have got a great man as Dr. K.P. Shashikul sir to be here and to be a part of his class. I'm very happy that all we have very good experience in his class, and I'm thanking all my teachers and all the members who make him to be in this occasion. So thank you. I had many.
What did you learn? That's more important.
I had many experience from this class. I know now, I have now a powerful aim to be a armed force medical doctor, and I will be.
Give her a big clap.
Years I will be, and I will work hard for it. Because of such class, we all the students got such an aim, and now I am standing in front of you with a very, I can't say in my words. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So use
much.
the word I am speechless.
Yes, I am speechless. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
God bless. Anybody else? One boy. Fast, one boy. Must be in queue first. Come.
Good evening to all my friends and my elder sisters and brothers sitting here. You know, when I was small, I saw many trucks traveling near me, which is really a monstrous vehicles. So I thought that I like to be a truck driver. But soon I realized that that was a worthless aim, and through my teachers and parents, I changed myself a lot, and now my aim is to be an Indian Air Force Air Marshal. So I was not having a definite plan what to do and how to get the selection. Then once I have got a notice from Baizu sir, so it was from Circulum of Inspire Learning, and it gave that there is a civil service class coming by. So I was really happy, and I joined it. Now I have an aim, and I know how to become or reach my aim, because Sir told us really great ways and which surely will lead me to success. So I am actually speechless, and thanks, sir. Thank you.
Understand, this coaching is not for IAS alone. Even if your aim is to become an air marshal or commodore or a brigadier, you will have to undergo all this presence of mind, the games which you are doing. These are all the things which you will have to do. Okay? So understand, it's not just for IAS. It's for any great job in India. The questions will be almost the same. Okay? And the first exam which you will have to, they will have to write NTSC exams.
Yes.
The first civil service examination, as a student, if you want to aspire for IAS, first test is NTSC exam you pass. If you don't pass, strive for that again. At least in 11th class, 12th class, you write once again and see whether you are qualified for that. Okay, that's a starting point. Similar questions in a higher level is what you get in IAS. So, in your life now onwards, every competitive exams without fear you must go and write. That has to be your decision, right? How many certificates you should have by the time you pass your graduation? Big file. 10 kilograms of certificates. How it would be? You understood? Write all examinations. Wherever, whatever class possible. Go and attend. Good. Come fast. That's it. That's the spirit and energy. Yeah. Don't wait for somebody else. Don't give chance for somebody else. Right? Good. Yeah.
Good afternoon, friends. As we all know that for past few hours we were having the class from Dr. T.P. Shashikubar sir, and as a person, I really loved it. And I got how to be alert and how to work hard, how to read newspapers, etc. My ambition is to become a civil engineer, but now after passing my BTech,
You get civil engineering.
and after that I will.
Don't have to go for IAS. You love engineering. You love engineering?
Yes, sir.
IES, Indian Engineering Service, which doesn't come under this, okay? Sridharan is an IES man, Metro Sridharan. You will become the architect plan, though government will not support him sometime, who will support? People will support. So he is an IES man. So you can take large projects and execute if you become an IES, okay? So don't have to leave your engineering and then do an administrative job. Be an engineer and in All India Service. That's called a IES. Which department you can work? All the departments for engineering is required. You can go to railway, you can go to port trust, you can go to airport. There also you require an engineer. Who will be the engineer in the airport? IES.
Sir, I want to make much developments in our country, in my
That's
country.
great.
And also, I argued with my cousins that she always want to go to America.
That is because Mahatma Gandhi told, quit India.
And also,
Right? What Mahatma Gandhi said? India. So she did not understand history well.
sir, I really love the class.
Good, got this. Yeah. Don't waste time. Let me not ask you next, just to go. If you want, you must jump and come in. Decide when he finishes, next person is up. That should be your attitude.
Very good evening to one and all present here. So I would like to talk first. Actually, I am a
No. Okay? When I was sitting beside Amitabh Bachchan, I had the same problem.
I'm a Kannadigan from origin. So
Kannadiga?
yes sir.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದು ರೀ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ
ಇವಾಗ ಬೇಡ.
ಮಾಡಿ
No, not now. So there are two major newspapers there. So one was Andolana and Vijay Karnataka. So in Vijay Karnataka one wrote IAS Gagana Komalavalla, which means it's not a flower that is in the sky. In the Andolana that wrote IAS is Gagana Komala. He says it's a flower in the sky, it's very difficult. So I was really confused with it. So when I was just talking with my father, he told when he tried to write IELTS, then he understood what IELTS is to go abroad. Before that he told, it's simple. So So we may read IAS is very simple. So it is simple if we have sincerity for that. So
What's your father doing?
he's a doctor.
Where is he practicing?
So why did he came from Karnataka to this place?
No sir, he came to learn laparoscopy.
So where are you in Karnataka?
Mysore.
Mysuru.
So then my ambition was to sit in my father's own bench, MMC, Mysore Medical College. I have to attain my degree from there and post-graduation from Belgaum and just go for the health ministry. That's it, sir.
Good. Mysore, there is a good medical college, Jay Chamarajendra.
Mysore Medical College.
Yeah, next. What's your name, beta? You did tell me. Yashas. Yashasvi Bhavan. What's your name? Sona.
Yes.
What is Sona?
Okay, good evening, friends. As we all know, he's a great man. And the
Somebody else is
last few hours we were passing through a great moment of my life, I think.
Is there a change in you?
Yes,
That's what it
definitely,
should be.
definitely there's change. And my ambition is to become a medical professor. I didn't even think of going for IAS or into an ICS. So now after this class, I've decided after getting after being a medical professor, surely definitely I'll go for something like that. Means to administrative service. Everyone.
Definitely, if you become a medical professor, after a few years you will become vice chancellor of a medical college, university. That will be your aim. So definitely you are not going to treat doctors. What are you going to do? Administrative job, right?
Yes.
So even a scientist, when they become scientist, in the few years you will do research. After that, you will get lot of people under you. Your job will be to give job to them, give problem to them, assess it, evaluate it, look at the report, present it somewhere, get an approval, make a plan. So after some time, what are you doing? Administration, right?
Yes.
So every job ends up in administration if you are really good. A good mathematics teacher would become a mathematics teacher. Do you think the whole life you will become mathematics teachers?
No.
You will become a headmaster, right? What is headmaster's job? Administration. And after that you will become a AEO, DEO. What is his job? Administration. You know, escape. Otherwise you will become in the lower level all the time. A good professor will become vice chancellor. What is vice chancellor doing? Do they teach?
No.
Administration. I had only one my professor who was my PhD gate. Even when he was vice chancellor in Gulbarga University, he was teaching. So few teachers. So if you are in administration, you can always do practice. There are doctors who became administrators. Doctors became novelists. Go and Google. Doctor turns a novelist. There is a wonderful story which you should read. Doctor turns a novelist. How to become a novelist? You want to become a novelist?
Yes.
Yeah. Read that, then you will all become novelists.
So everyone from my family used to say, you have an ability to control others, and everyone
Don't
said,
listen to somebody else.
no. Everyone said you can choose for IPS field.
Okay.
IPS field. I did not mind that at all because my ambition is to become a medical professor.
Okay.
So now,
So you can be a doctor with an IPS. So beat somebody, treat them. First injure them.
so saying about this class, it's a very wonderful class, and I didn't sit till my life till this in my life I did not sit in such a great inspiring class. So I thank so much sir for giving us this a wonderful class like this.
I am here because of him.
Thank you. I really enjoyed the class.
Next. Yeah. This side, boys are lost. No confidence. Are you sure you are a boy? Yes. You have a doubt? Don't come here. If you are sure you are a boy, you could come. Otherwise, if you miss, only girls will come. Want to jump and come? You have no confidence? Come here. I will give you confidence. Come, 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 come. This boy is standing up. He's. Well, piles and up. Confidence. Confidence.
Good evening, everyone. This is a wonderful person standing before me.
Not standing, actually. Not before. Beside.
Beside me, he taught us how to read newspaper. That's a wonderful thing. And we thought about some prime ministers, and he gave us a strong how he gave us the idea to become a person who we could choose. My ambition is to become an IAS, and he gave me some tips to be an IAS. Thank you.
Good. What you should do is, you want to speak more fluently, with no mistakes, write down, get it corrected from somebody, practice it well. So next time when I come and ask you to speak, like that it should come. Okay? Good. This is not for anything else. This is for you to practice how to speak in a public program, right? You have to become good speakers. Yeah.
So today I got a good class.
Your name?
My name is Krishna.
What's your name?
Augustine sir.
Louder.
Augustine sir.
Okay.
And I get to know that IAS is a job where we can serve India. But my ambition is to become a doctor. But even if I don't get an IAS post, I like to serve India and as well as world. By being a doctor itself, I can serve. I like to serve.
What is the specialization you want to do after MBBS?
I like cardiology, and I have an ambition that I like to make vaccination for AIDS. And I think
Cardiology and AIDS.
just a side. I like to specialize in cardiology, and I like to make a vaccine for AIDS. And I think that will help. I don't know whether I can, but I like to. First, starting I thought this for a job, but I like to do that now. And I like to be a doctor from AIIMS, Delhi, All India Institute. And that's all, and this class inspired me. I think that this Shashi Kumar sir set a goal in all the minds of the students sitting here.
Good. Next. I'm wasting time by calling. You should jump and come.
Good evening to one and all. Today I have a great class by Dr. Vijay Sustain sir and Kumar sir. And it was a wonderful class, and my ambition is to be a naval architecture, and I would like to go NDA, National Defense Academy after +2.
Now, if Navy is your option, don't go to NDA, because you have no guarantee you will go to Navy. They will segregate you based on the merit. They may put you in Army, Air Force, Navy, anywhere you can go. You may not have choice. But once you get elected and put there, you cannot jump out from that place. They will kick you inside only. You can't come out. Very difficult to come out. You will have to break your legs to come out. You will become physically handicapped, then they'll throw you out. That's only.
And I have never...
Navy is your interest in the Naval Academy.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That's the best place.
And I choose Navy because I can serve my country, and I love my country, that's why I choose Navy. And first my job was to become a minister, my ambition. Then I thought it is not very good and it's
Why?
very tough.
No, it's not tough.
No, sir, for getting elected it is very tough, sir.
No? Which is your place?
Sir,
Sultan Batteri. Yeah, start serving people from now onwards.
sir, Sir, I quit the job, sir. I wanted.
You want to go to job, then quit that, and then get into politics.
Okay, sir.
That's good.
Then changed to be army, and now it's finally naval architecting. And today we know about how to achieve goals in our life and behavior, and there's no words I can explain how SAR's class was, and it was very good and awful, and I thank Sir for coming here, and I thank Subodh Sir for bringing him here. Thank you very much.
Good. Next.
Remove, execute.
Good evening, everyone.
Louder.
Good evening, everyone. And I didn't expect actually today. I was surprised by seeing
Whom did you expect?
No, I didn't expect anyone because before everyone knew.
How can you come here without expecting a teacher here? Okay.
And before seeing you, I made 2 speeches about you.
Where?
In the Malayalam class
In this school? Why? How? They had asked her to take my autograph on that.
And then you are going to take class for
I'll meet them.
and they are so excited. And I expect last week you will
There was a prank last week? No, I don't know.
last week that one paper was given to us.
Okay.
So I expected last week, and they were also expecting me. Well, this class was so amazing, and my ambition is to become an engineer. And I did.
Then IES, Indian Engineering Service.
Before that, I was applying to work for other countries, like America and all. But when I look for information about the jobs, mainly they want their citizenship. So I felt that.
So you can have dual citizenship. You can be an Indian having a citizenship in another country. So having citizenship is not bad. And serving in another country is also not bad. Don't think that going abroad and that's bad, right? Because when you go abroad, all the money what you earn there you will send here. You understood? Here you will earn in rupees, there you will earn in dollars. So you go there and send a lot of money here. So our people will get a lot of money, right?
But when I think deeply, I thought serving, it's better to serve our country than other countries. To serve Indian country.
But you go there, but don't make your children to grow there. Send your children to India. Because education in India is much better than education abroad.
And many of your ideals, like Vivekananda inspired personality. Same inspiration in me about Vivekananda.
Read a lot. Okay? That's the way to improve. When you read about whole personalities, you will learn a lot. The history learning is learning about the people of India. Learning about Akbar. Okay? Then you will learn little bit of history. Chandragupta Maurya. Read about him. Chanakya. Read about him. So reading about personalities is what is reading about Indian history. So you must have a list of personalities. Another notebook. List of personalities and their life. Okay? Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya. Who was he? You don't know. Good. Ask him. The Kannadiga will tell. Who is Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya? He was Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya was who? He is a Kannadiga. He was with Mysore Palace as a Diwan, and then he was a civil engineer, and he went around different states to serve them as civil engineers. He came to Hyderabad, constructed 17 dams. Lot of dams in Karnataka is by him. Electricity brought to Mysore by him. So great personality, right? So when you read about him, what are you reading? Reading about many activities what he has done, right? So whenever I ask you about some extempore speech of somebody, don't talk about me. Talk about great personalities, right? Read about their life. So you have got somebody in your hand. When somebody asks you to, you go and look at my small YouTube presentation during 2 months back, April. You will see my brother's grandchild. Brother's grandchild is also my child, right?
Yes.
So he is in 4th class. I just ask him, talk about great personalities. He'll ask you about whom. If it's a Nehru, he took birth in this place, he went to this place, he did this, that, all that he will say. Soon after you tell him Mahatma Gandhi, he will talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Whole history. You tell any personality, he will tell the history. Date, place, where he went, what did he do, everything by heart. Not that easy. But you can do it at your age. If you don't do it in this age, after some time you will not be able to do it. So I told you how to by heart things, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So you should pick up somebody, start learning about some great personality, and you have to be talk. Right?
I expect next time onwards.
Next time onwards. Do that. That's good. So talk to your friends. You go and learn about Srinarayana Guru. I am going to learn about this person. Let us share the knowledge. Right? Like that. And you must be able to write essays on them. That's good. Yeah. So, come.
Good afternoon, everyone. Last few hours, I felt that it was one of my precious moments in my life, and I felt Shashikumar sir as not as a teacher, but as a good advisor in my life. These few days in my life, there were so many much moments that I was not confident in myself. I lost courage in what I was not. I don't believe in myself sometimes, and that created problems in my life. And the few hours, it was a relaxation for that. I come to know how to resist that, how to believe in myself, and how to I used to follow the characters of for example, if someone is doing good and he have more activities or more confidence in them, or they're doing well in their studies or other such curriculars, and I feel that I'm not having such talents, but I don't see the talents on me, but I copy the talents of others. And through this class I come to know that it was wrong, we should believe in ourselves and we should find it. We should find the success. And I was sometimes in exams or some teachers have praised me, I will be overconfident. And then one of last year, an exam FA2, one teacher praised me a lot, and I was so happy and some pride. That makes me some problems because next exam, I think that that's language anyway. That's very easy, and I'm so overconfident about it. And I have lost 7 or 8 marks in that exam in that language. English, it was English. Then I understood. Then I go to home and think. I go to my room and think about that. What if I get a chance to speak anywhere in front of a crowd or in front of my friends? I should have to tell them that you should not be overconfident because I felt the result to be overconfident. And by this class, I come to know how to control myself in my feelings and how to believe in myself and in my character.
Good. Give him a big clap. Understand, speaking faster is not the best speaker. Slow, steady, and take your lessons and then explain. Okay? Good. Well done. What's your name?
Bharadwaj.
Bharadwaj. Who was Bharadwaj?
So a lot of personalities are named Bharadwaj.
Tell me one person.
One person is H.R. Bharadwaj. He was one of the governor of Kerala.
Okay.
Then a film actor was there. Sir, that Nyan Gandharvan one film. That actor's name is Bharadwaj.
What is his full name?
Nitish Bharadwaj.
Nitish Bharadwaj. Good. Yeah, next.
Good evening all. Good evening all. First of all, I am very proud to attend in such a class. And before starting to say something, I would like to thank Shashikumar sir for taking a wonderful class, and my parents for sending me here. And actually, my ambition is to be a software engineer and to pursue my degree from IIT Kharagpur. I didn't think a lot after that. I didn't plan much. And last week I had attended the Target IIT class, and after that I got some more plans. And now I got a perfect plan. Like after not only after engineering, not to settle in that itself. I like to IAS or IPS. I didn't choose.
If you take software engineering, if you do BTech computer science, you will not be able to write IES, Indian Engineering Service. Indian Engineering Service is only for core engineering subjects. Right? Civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics, mechanical. Only for core engineering subjects. If you do BTech in biotechnology, you are not an Indian Engineering Service eligible person. Computer science, the name itself shows science and engineering they have added. So it's computer science and engineering. Those people are also not eligible to write IES. Okay?
That's my biggest dream is to develop something like Microsoft.
Okay, good. God bless you.
Thank you.
Run, baby, run.
Amen.
It's a chance for you to experiment your stage performance.
Good evening to all present here. Today it's a great moment for us and as well as for this institution. And first of all, I thought that Dr. Shashikumar will be not friendly, will be very strict. So I thought that I should have been absent today. Then when I sat in this sir's class.
So how many of your friends? How many of your friends wanted to attend?
Only one, sir.
Only one. Where is he? Not here? He didn't come. Why?
Fever, sir.
Fever.
Yes. Fever, sir. Then,
So how many of your friends would like to attend such classes? So let us see next class how many will be there, right? Will you get more people? We should have a good strength. Then the class becomes much more interesting.
And after hearing sir's tips, I thought it was very great, and he's a wonderful man, and he gave me so much tips, not only for me, for all of us to achieve our goals. And by hearing his class, I got more confident, and because of this, I am able to stand here, or otherwise I will think that let the other student talk. What is the business in this? I don't have to speak about it. And because of him, I was able to increase my confidence level. And I am thanking Shashikumar sir and Subodh sir for arranging this.
Next. Come. Yeah, she was standing for a minute. Let her come. Give her a chance. Younger than you, right? Same class? Shorter than you? That's why she's in the first row. Come here, come here. She's so mild. She tried 3 times to get up. And then somebody else. And she was also looking at me. Right? Yes? Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. So it's a wonderful and precious occasion for everyone, and it is the most.
അല്ല അതെന്തിനാ ശരിക്കും പറ അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി ചെറുത്താൻ പിടിക്കാണ്ട് ആണോ അല്ലേ പറ ശരിക്കും ഇതിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെറുത്താൻ പിടിക്കും.
So this is the first class I ever concentrated so much, and moreover to become an IAS officer, he inspired us to become a good. Moreover to become an IAS officer, he inspired us to become a good person, good personality in life, and he taught us good things to do in life. So
go and close the door. You speak, yeah.
Because of his inspiration,
No, right.
many of us got more new ideas, new thoughts. So I sincerely thank sir for giving us a class like this.
Good. Nice job, right?
Good afternoon. Today, I actually, to be truthful, I thought that Mr. Dr. Shashikumars class would be a closed class, and it would be like how we have our classes in our classroom. It would be a closed class, and he would speak about something, write something in the board, and we would write some notes. But then finally, the way he tells stuff to us, and his way of expressing things and developing our common sense, and how he made us go outside, and how we work in a group is all very fantastic, and I really like this class, to be truthful. In IAS coaching in the brilliant tutorials. So when sir gave us the notice, I looked at the notice, and on the back side there was a photo of this man standing with Manmohan Singh. And I was, by seeing the photo itself, I just thought of how much this standard stands with a Prime Minister of our country.
His driver also stands beside him. His cook also serves him. When he goes for a dinner, Manmohan Das, get me the plate. Can you throw the plate? Just to go nearby, right? So going to
and the way he and how he told us that he has been teaching thousands lakhs of students, and to be one student among them and sitting in his class is something to really be proud of. And my ambition is to become an IIT architect, because my father's brother and my cousin are also in the same field. And so I have decided that whatever ambition we have, I want to make my presence known to the world as well as our country. So I would like to say that whatever job we are opting for, we should make others know that we are someone in this world or in our country. And that's all I want to help.
Good afternoon, friends, and I thank the Bobsa for giving this class, because when I'm in 8th standard, I was very interested to join this class. I thought something special than someone else. This year when I'm in 9th, I thought it's so lots to study, and I think don't want to join in IIT class. And my father, when I said to my father, I'm not joining in IIT class, what his response was like a atom bombs exploded in me. What to say? My friend also same way what her mother exploded at her like that way. And because he said that when he was saying he didn't get much opportunity to study, he said teacher. And he said teacher. My mother also is a teacher. They sent me here. I thank them very much to send me here, and I thank sir for taking me.
So now you are in the IIT batch or not?
No, I am not in IIT. I will be in IIT batch, sir.
So far she was not attending?
Yes.
You were there?
Yes. And I thank sir for. If
So
sir
your
didn't.
father is still blasting or blasted completely?
Completely.
How is it to dust?
Yesterday when I said to my father that do not have IIT this year, then father then I said I will call my every friends to next year for I want to join in, and next year too I want to keep here an IIT class. He said, oh, you this much day you said don't want to go, and now you are saying your mind changed. And I said yes. Then when I said about SARS class, my cousin sister said me about she attended a class in Bangalore, and I said to my father that, and I said lot of my friends to come here, but most of them didn't came. But I'm so happy to attend this class.
So what are you going to tell them, the people who did not attend the class?
You really missed fools. I don't know what to say.
You know what Kunjunni said once? Kullanai, Kirkanai, Jenichorunni and Kunjunni, Enne Kandoro, Bhagyavanmar, Kanator, Maha Bhagyavanmar.
I don't think
Our shake enjoy the cinema.
but it's better. Not that. No, sir. It is better.
It's more better.
This one is better, sir.
This one is better.
If they cannot achieve some goals, I can achieve it.
But they are enjoying now.
Now
You know the old story of, I tell you, the President of America went for fishing. He goes for enjoyment. His enjoyment is
Fishing.
he goes to South America, and then there is a small pond in which he used to fish. He was fishing there. There was another man who was fishing. So he looked at him. He also looked at him. He said, "Who are you?" He said, "I am President of America. You don't know me?" "I don't know you." He said, "What are you doing?" "Are you not seeing? I am fishing." No. "Which country you belong to?" He said, "I am in America." He thought all the people who will do this fishing are all great personalities for enjoyment, right? What do you do otherwise? Otherwise, fishing. No, that's not what I'm asking. What do you do? Fishing. Tell me what's your job? He said fishing. And this man tried fishing, no fish was coming. The other man could fish very fast because he's an expert fisherman. Right? Then this president asked him, why are you wasting your time with one hook like this? Why don't you have a big net and catch a lot of fish? Yes, I can do that. Why are you not doing? Okay, tell me if I do that, what should I do next? Then you will become a rich man. Okay, then what should I do? Buy a big boat. Employ so many people for fishing. Tell them how to fish. And all of them will fish for you and you can just trust. Right? Yeah, then what do? You get a lot of fish. You become a rich man. You can have a factory of fish processing. Okay, then what should I do? You can have a big house in Washington DC. Okay, then what should I do? You can have 3-4 wives, 3-4 houses. Okay, then what should I do? He didn't answer. What did you do? They asked him, as a great man, what are you doing now? President, what is he doing now? I'm fishing. Why you are fishing? That's my enjoyment. You are once in a while enjoying. I am enjoying every moment. You have to do all this job. And for enjoyment you come here for fishing. Right? Yes. Enjoy life. Right? What are they doing? Enjoying life. What are you doing? Suffering like this. Which is good.
Suffering now and enjoying in future.
Eh?
Suffering now and enjoying.
Yeah. Enjoyment, not temporary enjoyment. You should have a permanent enjoyment. That's more important. Yes. Now you suffer. Are you suffering?
No.
If you are enjoying learning, there are some people who enjoy learning. There are some people who enjoy cooking. There are some people who enjoy sitting idle. Right? But then later they will think, oh, I should have studied. By the time will pass. Understood?
Anyway, I thank and your enjoyment is teaching. Solely we get this class. I thank you, sir.
I enjoy teaching. You all suffer learning. Do you suffer learning?
No, sir.
That's good.
Good evening, everyone. Inspector Shashikumar sir.
എന്താ പറയേണ്ടത് അങ്ങനെ പറയാൻ
എന്താ പറയണ്ടേന്ന് അറിയില്ല. When I come to this class, I see this person, and so many students come and speak about sir. That time my hand was shivering. How?
Hand is shivering now?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Then I think I also want to stand with this person. Then this time I am very happy.
Good. What you should do is all of you should practice writing what you wanted to speak. There are little grammar mistakes, but don't worry, you spoke well, okay? And this is first time that he was shivering, now no shivering. Without shivering, he is able to stand and speak, right? Give me a big clap. Speak, but you should also have the habit of writing it and then getting it corrected with somebody, okay? Then you will become very good. One boy, give a chance to him. You can also, this is small, right? Somebody. You're in 9? That is your specialty. That's good. Yeah.
Good evening to one and all present here. My name is Amit James. I am very happy to stand before you. And today onwards I can say that I attended sir's class. And my ambition is to become an IAS officer. And by that job I can serve my country. And I don't know what to say. And by this class I understand we should be courageous, we should be smart, and we should be fast and perfect in our works. And
at home you are going to serve your mother.
Yes, sir.
Motherland later, first mother.
Yes.
Okay? All of you should become the best kids of your father and mother. That's the first thing. No scolding at home. Okay? Now onwards, you should not get any scolding from house. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
വികൃതി കാണിച്ച അമ്മ വഴക്ക് പറഞ്ഞെന്ന് പറയും. അമ്മയുടെ അവിടെ ഇരിക്കാൻ പറയാം. ഓക്കെ, മടിയിൽ കിടക്കാം. നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും ചെയ്യണ്ട. എന്നിട്ട് നോക്കാം. അമ്മ ഞാൻ 2 വയസ്സുള്ളപ്പോ എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു ചോദിക്കും. അമ്മ ഫുൾ വികൃതിയൊക്കെ മറന്നു. എന്റെ മോനെ നീ എന്ത് നല്ല ഭംഗിയുള്ള കാണാല്ലേ അല്ലേ? Should become small kids for your mother and father. Okay? That's what you should.
And I has an opinion that for IAS officers, there's one disadvantage is that not for officers. I think there should be a board for IAS officers. That board can only control the IAS officers. Nowadays, the politicians, if they didn't like the collector or the IAS officer, has their wish, they are transferring them. That should not be allowed, and there should be a board for the IAS officer, and every working of the IAS officer should be under control that. And
who should control that board?
Sir, under the president.
Under the president. President doesn't control anybody in the world, in India.
Sir,
Prime Minister is again politician.
sir, there should be like a Democrat. There should be a person.
No election can happen in the board, because then the election happens, that becomes politician. Board of politicians. What you should do, have first knowledge. India is a country where the system have been tested, written by great personalities, right? Which has gone like this for last 60 years without any trouble. Pakistan is in real trouble. President will be kidnapped by somebody, Prime Minister will be killed by President will be thrown out by court. Have you seen? The court judge will be punished by President. You will not see in India. You understand, Indian system is very, very good. Where we have taken system from all the other countries. Okay? And one of the strongest governmental system is in India, not in any other country. So our political system is very, very essential. Getting transfer is not at all a problem. You know why transfers are coming? I am a minister, he is an IAS officer. Minister has no power. The power is only with the
IAS officer.
The education minister cannot transfer a teacher. The transfer order has to be signed by IAS officer. So I will ask him, make the order. He will say, go. I am not going to make it. He can be just transferred. Nothing else can be. You understood? So why bad orders are coming? Because there are some IAS officers who will always listen to bad politicians. So when all of you become IAS, politicians will listen to IAS officers. They will ask, sir, what should we do? And then IAS will do like this. Okay, do it. Like that only will happen. That can happen. Understood? And politicians also will tell, these are all the requirements of people, you do it. Now today, because of my requirement, I am doing it. Tomorrow, politicians will bring the requirements of people and go to Parliament or Legislative Assembly, fight for the rule, make a rule, and your job will be applying the rule. Who makes the rule in the country? Politicians. Legislative Assembly, Parliament, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, these are all the people who will make rules in the country. If politicians are not making rules, we will not have rules for the IAS officers to follow. You understood? So making rules are the job for politicians. So that has to continue. You have no escape. So you cannot get rid of politicians, but the role of politicians can be slightly changed. Therefore, there are a lot of IAS officers, they will never listen to. That is also bad. We have intelligent IAS people who will never listen to any politicians. And they were kept on transferring from one department to another department. They will never allow anything to happen. Everything what is told by politicians, they will say no. So nothing is happening. Is that such IAS officers are good? They are also not good. So it should work together. Politicians as legislative rule makers, IAS officers who are executors, and court judges, judiciary who says what they have done is good or bad. So there are three pillars. One is judiciary, another one is lawmakers, another one is executors. All the three together only makes the country to go. You understood? And all the rule makers are supposed to see whether you are executing the rule or not. But in between somebody will start playing ball. But don't think that the whole people are like that. Whatever you are hearing in the news is only very little. That's not a big issue. So don't worry. Be a smart IAS officer and a smart politician. Next, tomorrow's world will become young politicians and they will also become knowledgeable people. Not like our earlier. We have a wonderful Prime Minister, right? Wonderful Education Minister. Who is the HR Minister? India. Human Resource Minister for India. Go to internet, listen to her talk. Go to yeah, already said. Tubelight. Now, you go to my group, FL, you will see the talk of Smriti Irani, which I have taken as a link from YouTube. Listen to fabulous English. She can speak on any topic. Give her the topic, she will speak very good. We have to be proud of having such people in our ministry. Okay? So we have great personalities as politicians. And they are the people who have to control IAS. Don't worry, there will be some uneducated people. They will listen to IAS people. You can also become an IAS and then tell Prime Minister this is what you should do. Then they will do. Okay?
And now I thank Subodh sir for giving such a wonderful person's class.
Bringing me here.
Yes.
One and only 10th class bib. Right? Yes. So how many more 10th will come next class?
Many of them.
Many of them will come. You will have to conduct a written examination, screening test for all of them and throw few of them out. Gunda.
Good evening, friends. Good evening.
Good evening.
Not enough louder, you can say.
Good evening.
Okay, today we had a fabulous class by TP Shashikumar sir, and I am very confident to stand here now. First, when I was in 8th, I was afraid to face public. I was not much confident to stand in front of someone to speak. But now I am confident in front of public to speak something, and I am very confident myself to speak in front of public. And after this class, which is a turning point in my life, and I am to serve my country as an Indian. I am very proud to be an Indian as I born on Independence Day.
Her mother became independent. And she became independent of her mother.
And after, when I had lunch, many of my classmates asked me what he taught you.
That is, they are here or not?
No, they went.
No, but they were here during the lunch time. What they were doing?
We had maths special class.
Okay, so you lost maths special class. That's a problem, right? So don't worry. Whatever they learn, you just speak to me. I'll teach you that.
Yes. And they were eager to know what sir taught me, and I told them what all he taught me. I told them, and they told me, yes, it will be good for us if we attend that class. They also really miss this class. But next time they will surely come for this class. I am sure about it. Thank you.
The message keeps coming that we are supposed to be here up to 4 o'clock. I'll get arrested and then they will throw me out. Right? Gundas, they have to take care of me.
Don't run away. So we'll see you next time. Enjoy. 944. Subodhji will have something to say. Listen to him. I'm sure.
Oh, you're very happy now?
Yeah.
You want it? Medical വേണ്ട. ശരി, രണ്ട് മൂന്ന് കാര്യം. ഒന്ന് വേസ്റ്റാൻഡ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയൽ എടുത്തിരിക്കണം. ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ വന്ന് മാറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? അപ്രോക്സിമേറ്റ്ലി വരുമ്പോൾ ഇരുപത്തിരണ്ടില്ലേ ഇനി ആയിരിക്കും ആ വീട്ടിരുന്നാലും ഞാൻ ഏത് കാര്യത്തിലൊക്കെ നിൽക്കുന്നത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കും. എനിക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പ്രോഗ്രാം കോട്ടയത്ത് നിർദ്ദേശിക്കും, എനിക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പ്രോഗ്രാം എറണാകുളത്ത് നിർദ്ദേശിക്കും. പ്രോഗ്രാം 27ന് കോട്ടയത്ത് പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇതുപോലെ ഹാളല്ല, ടൗൺ ഹാൾ, കോട്ടയം ടൗൺ മാമൻ മക്കള ആലപ്പുഴയിൽ ഒരു ബിഗ് ഗോൾഡ് പ്രോഗ്രാം 12ാം തീയതി പ്രോഗ്രാം മറ്റേ 1000 ഫോർ സർവീസ് ഗ്രീൻ ഹിൽ സ്കൂളിനോടുള്ള ഒരു അറ്റാച്ച്മെന്റ്. എന്താണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കംപ്രിഹെൻസീവ് ക്ലാസ് അല്ലേ? ഏതെങ്കിലും ബാച്ച് കിട്ടിയിട്ട് അത് വീണ്ടോ? അത് ആഗ്രഹമാണ്. ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്ത സർവീസ് പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ നിന്ന് 7-8 വർഷം കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അതിന് കൊണ്ടാണ് വൈകുന്നേരം എന്തായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങളുടെ മനസ്സിലെന്ന് രാവിലെ തുടങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് എനിക്കറിയാം. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് നാളെ തൊട്ട് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പോയാൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? നിർത്താതെ സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലാവും എന്തായി പട്ടായി. എന്തായാലും പാട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ പട്ടായി പട്ടായി
അമ്മായി
ഇവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താണെന്നറിയാമോ? We are trying to create a serious aspirants group. വളരെ സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരുപാട് IAS aspirants, IIT aspirants, MBBS aspirants, ഒരുപാട് aspirants ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോഴാണ് അതിനകത്തുനിന്നുണ്ടാകുക റിസൾട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവുക. ഒരാൾ മാത്രം പഠിക്കാൻ റിസൾട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവുമോ? അത് വളരെ സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ട് സാധിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് അത് ഇത്രയും പോരാ. ഇതെല്ലാം നിർത്താതെ. മൂന്നാമതൊരു കാര്യം, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് സാറിൻ്റെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് എത്താന്നുള്ളത് നേരത്തെ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ആ ക്ലാസ്സിന് പോകുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ പാരൻസ് ക്ലാസ് ഇനിയുള്ള ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടത് എന്താണ്? 4 മണിക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ പോകണം, 4 മണിക്ക് വരണം. പാരൻസ് ഇവർ പെർഫോമിക്കുന്നുണ്ടാണ് എനിക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 1 മണിക്കൂർ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. നേടാ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത് ക്ലാസ് പ്രവർത്തിക്കാം. അതെല്ലാം ചെയ്യാം. വരുന്നത് ചിലപ്പോൾ ക്ലാസ് പ്രവർത്തിക്കാം. കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടാവും. എന്തുകൊണ്ടെന്നാൽ എനിക്ക് സാറ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് എവറി മന്ത് ഹാഫ് എല്ലാ മാസത്തിൻ്റെയും ബാക്കി പ്രൊഫഷണൽ സാർ ഹൈദരാബാദ് വരാം.
സാർ ഇവിടെയുള്ള ഡേയ്സിനെയാണ് ഞാൻ യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അവേഴ്സ് നിങ്ങൾ 4 മണിക്ക് പോയാൽ സാറ് വെറുതെ ഇരിക്കില്ല. കാരണം സെക്കൻഡ് ഇയേഴ്സും ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയേഴ്സും അവിടെ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? അതുകൊണ്ട് യൂസ് മാക്സിമം. ഓക്കെ, യൂസ് മാക്സിമം. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായിരുന്നു സാറിന് കൊടുത്തത്?
ഞാൻ വരാം.
എന്തെങ്കിലും കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഒന്നുമില്ലേ?
ഞാൻ വരാം.
ഇത് സലീംകുമാർ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഒന്നുമില്ലേ? കയ്യിൽ 2 കൈയില്ലേ? Right. Now we can move. All the best.
അമ്മാ എടി തോരെ കൊല്ലു ആര്യ ഒന്ന് മാറി കളിക്കോപ്പ നിനക്കെന്താ മാറി സാന്ദ്ര
After graduation, up to 30 years, 6 chances. 23 to 30, 7 years is there, right? So you can write 7 times, only 6 times. That's all. If you're an SC/ST, another 2 years extension. Maybe up to 30. 32. By the time when you reach, there will be some small. They keep on updating. First, medical forensic is. So you could be an MBBS and then otherwise you can do an MBBS. But that will be only fingerprint analysis and all. So that's some activity which is computer related. But MBBS is. After MBBS, forensic. There are a lot of Pondicherry universities. First MBBS is the best. Then forensic in the specialization. Don't go for graduation specialization. It will be trouble. Post graduation only should be done in Now strictly. That is only to make you good. Okay? Because I have to tell you, discipline is very good. If you're not disciplined, things will not happen. Let's